Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to remove backgrounds in Affinity. First, you want to open Affinity, then click on Open. Me, I have these two photos of these two cats. Just have to open them. I'll show you the method twice. And now we want to go and click on Pixel. And you want to go and hold the left button and choose the quick or the selection brush tool. Then you want to click on Add right here, and you want to adjust the size of the brush like so. And if you want to remove any selected part, you just have to click on this option right here, subtract, and you will be able to remove it like so. Now I'm going to click on the photo on the right side. Then I'm going to click on the add on the top left side. Then I will try to select the cat like so. And you can choose between soft edges. And if you want to refine the edges a little bit, you just have to click on refine edges and go and refine the selection just like so. If you want to get back, click on Ctrl plus Z and now click on apply. And now the final step is to click on the mask button, mask layer. So when you click on it, here you have it. Now in order to deselect, you just have to click on Ctrl plus D and you will be able to deselect it like so. And here you have the photo of the cat. Now let's repeat the same process with another photo. This photo, for example, I'm going to go and click on Pixel. Then I'm going to choose the photo. Then I'm going to click on the brush tool. I'm going to select the selection brush tool. I'm going to adjust the width. Then I'm going to click on add and I will select the object like so. Then after finishing, you want to go and click on mask on the right side. And here you have the photo. It will look like so. Now deselect, click on Ctrl plus D. And you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.